what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
Hi guys, this is Aya, and get ready with me for bed. I have school tomorrow. So tonight I will be spilling my skincare secret. So before I do, I want you guys to take a look at my skin. No pimples whatsoever, glass skin. And you guys will be shocked when I tell you that my skincare only contains one product, one brand, nothing else. And that one truly amazing product is this soap. First of all, who wouldn't fall in love with the packaging? Who wouldn't fall in love with the sound? And I know teenagers like me really love aesthetic packaging, ASMR, and a lot more other things. So I will show you guys how I use this. First, I'm going to clip back my hair, obviously. Then my hair is clipped, I will show you guys how I use it. So this bar is literally my second bar of the week. Like, I use this all the time that it's literally running out so quick. So first, Our Naya Radiance Melt Bar has so many benefits. It's infused with niacinamide to brighten and even out skin tone, with Centella asiatica to soothe redness and calm irritation. Marine collagen helps keep your skin firm, soft, and hydrated. Himalayan salt gently exfoliates and detoxifies for a smooth glow. And kojic acid dipalmitate fades dark spots and helps your skin look more radiant. It's gentle, nourishing, and made to love your skin back. And the really cool thing about this is for one pack, it's 199 pesos with 3 soap bars inside. Like, guys, look at that glow, and that's right after washing my face. Look how good my skin looks. Guys, you cannot deny it. Oh my god. I used to get pimples all the time when I turned 13. So many pimples in so many noticeable places, like here, and I hated it so bad because every time I went out, I had to conceal my pimples, and I hated it because it took so much time, and I always wanted to like just leave the house, no makeup, just powder, whatever. Even with Naya, girl, you guys do not need powder, you guys do not need makeup, nothing, just this. And look at the final product. So guys, go get this right now.
Ang isang pouch siguro, like ako po, malaki kasi akong tao. Kami ni Michelle, nagsishare kami ng soap. So roughly siguro isang soap sa amin, mga 2 weeks. Oh, so kung isang soap, 2 weeks. So 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks. So 1 month na namin to supply. So, itong 1 month na supply na to, guys, amin na yan. Di ba? Kung umorder ka ng 10, yung 8, pwede mong ibenta. By the time you need your supply again, kinita mo na. Wala kang gastos, di ba? Yun ang isipin nyo palagi, guys. Hindi yung bibili kayo para lang masabi na, okay, meron ako. No. Isipin nyo rin, guys, yung paano ko kikitain yung kailangan kong gamitin. So, ulitin ko, bibili ka ng 10 tingnan natin yung 10 ulit, ha? Compute natin yung soap. 10 Naya pouch, 30 pieces. Pwede nyo rin po ibenta per piece. Di ba?
Thank you sa soap nyo. Sabi ni JM. Thank you sa soap nyo. At super ganda ng effect. Ang tipid pag gamitin. Love it. Nakaka-white and supple ng skin. Thank you. 48 SM. Thank you so much. Ang dami ko na kayang ginamit. Tapos yan lang makakawala ng melasma ko.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females magic just touching me, trick me, trick me. Just
Nakakaputi ba siya? Meron siyang 4 na brighteners na whiteners, guys. So, yes, ang sagot siya. Minerma Fidel, yes, pangpalighten ng melasma. That's all I can promise you. Kasi iba-iba yung melasma natin, malalim yung iba. So, kung matanggal, well and good. Kung maglighten, well and good pa rin.
Sa akin, 3 months ko palang ginagamit ang Naya. And you look, makikita nyo, guys. Before, meron ako parang map dito na black shadow. Makikita nyo, wala na. At yung side na to, wala na. Etong side na to, tinan nyo, konti na lang. Ito na lang, yung little spot na lang. Yan, this one na lang. But because of Naya, ever since I started using Naya 3 months ago, wala na talaga siya. Ito na lang natira. Itong black spot na lang to. This one. So yes, so definitely it helps. Diba? Just use it consistently.
So, face and body, yung sabon natin, guys, sa face and body, don't forget, pimple marks and packaging. Noong launching natin, ilang grams ang nakakatanggal ba ng body odor? Yes, ang dami nagsasabi. Hindi na sila nagdi-deodorant. Hindi na.
How to look 10,000 even if 199 lang ang sabon mo. Basta marunong ka mag-glow, automatic mahal ka tingnan. Luxury feel, budget price, that's Naya. Ang arte! Grabe. Nakakasira na talaga ng ulo to, baby.
Hindi masasayang yung pera nyo. Try run. Okay na po ba unti-unti pagbabalat? Safe, using the soap. Yes. Merong iba kasi talaga nagbabalat. Iba-iba ang effect nito sa atin. So, it really depends kung ano yung sitwasyon ng skin natin.
Ask lang po, okay ba gamitin yung soap kahit may allergy? Yes, kasi nakakapag-dry siya. Meron na nag-flex sa atin na customer na nakatulong sa eczema niya. Okay, sa akin naman, I developed a small rash sa likod. For now, wala na siya. Actually, kagabi ko lang siya naramdaman na wala na. Yes, for face and body po. Yung soap,
Face and body tayo. Face and body. Wait lang, guys, inaayos lang po. Huwag tayo matarantang. Out na, check out na. Sold out na. Ayan, sold out na daw. Guys, maraming salamat po sa sold out ng lotion natin. Grabe kayo. Sobrang thank you, guys. Super thank you, guys. Super thank you. Okay, back to regular programming na tayo, guys. Wala na lotion.
Why spend so much on the skincare if you can only spend $199 and experience the same premium quality? Guys, Naya Radiance Melt Bar. We created this, guys, for you. Everything that you'll ever need in a soap bar is already here in every bar of Naya Radiance Melt Bar, guys. But again, I always say if you have the money for the extras, if you want that toner, that moisturizer, that serum to partner with your Naya Radiance Melt Bar, of course, it's okay. But sinasabi ko rin na kung wala ng budget, Naya Radiance Melt Bar lang, sapat na. So again, guys, this is only $199. At 3 bars na po ang laman.
And I'm so happy guys that, ay nako, ang ganda talaga ng effect ng Naya sa akin. Super guys. I super love the effect of Naya guys talaga. Guys, I promise you because you know what? Naya lang sapat na. Lahat na kasi guys ng mga trending essentials for the skincare, for your skin, nandito na guys talaga.
Smelt bar guys, this is 10 times glow boosting. Bakit? Kasi 10 glow boosting active ingredients ang meron po nito. Tranexamic acid, kojic acid dipalmitate. We have glutathione. Those are the 4 brighteners, guys. Ilang minutes ibabad? 10 seconds, 30 seconds, okay na po yan sa face. And then on your body, as long as you want to, pwede. May isa, binabad sa legs niya overnight. Ayan.
When your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I want you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go.
Though it's brightening, it's hydrating. Ang sarap din ito sa gabi lalo because it has that soothing, calming effect. So if you have tired legs and feet, my daughter's 14, meron din siya mga spider veins, kaya inaalagaan ko rin na. Ito halos wala na. Halos wala na siya talaga. Natakot pa ako dito kasi initially, sabi ko, but parang mas nag-darken siya, parang mas kumapal. It's because inangat ni Naya itong part na to. Tapos, guys, pinade niya talaga. I would say siguro 2% na lang natitira. Guys, imagine this one is a 17-year-old melasma. Pero guys, sobrang konting na lang talaga natitira. And the people who see me, so it's for all skin types. So, halimbawa, meron kayong mga skin issues like, or if you, for example, gusto mo lang ng anti-aging, pwede yan. Gusto mo lang ng anti-aging, gusto mo ng brightening, hydrating, yan. Pwede pong maidulot sa inyo yan ng ating Naya. And, it's also good for sensitive skin. Sensitive skin, guys. Yan po ang mga brighteners natin. So, kung may mga melasma, dark spots, maitim na part ng katawan, yan, mga pimple marks. And then, for anti-aging, guys, meron tayong marine collagen and hyaluronic acid. Sabi ko sa inyo, yan lang sapat na.
If you have this, use that. And if you have this, use that. And if you have this, use that.
Hello mga amiga. Meron lang ako isi-share sa inyo bago ako matulog. Alam niyo ba, yung mga freckles at melasma ko dito na matagal na panahon. Sa dami-dami ng ginamit ko na hindi naman nakatulong sa akin. Ang dami ko ng product na ginamit. Pati yung wrinkles ko dito. Yung pimple marks ko na nangingitim yan na nakaraan, yung highlighting. Nawala. Nag-lighted. Dahil dito sa Naya. Kaya naiinis ako. Kasi may nagpuyatan ko yan. Tagal na panahon ko yung inipon sa mukha. Pinabayaan ko. Tapos nung ginamit ko ito, nag-lighted. Nawala. Ba't naman ganun, Naya? Huwag na huwag nyo ito gagamitin, ha? Huwag na huwag. Kasi kikinis kayo. Hayaan nyo nilang pumangit yung mukha nyo. Huwag kayo bibili nito, ha? Kasi nakakaganda.
You know what good skin gives you? Confidence. Not the loud type, not the quiet confidence. It's the kind of confidence that when you wake up in the morning and you look in the mirror and say, I look good today. Fresh ako, glowing ako, okay ako. So that kind of confidence changes everything. The way you walk, the way you talk, the way you enter a room, the way you face the world. Naya is not just about brightening your skin or smoothing your skin. It's about making you feel good again in your own skin. Because when your skin improves, your confidence follows. And when your confidence improves, your life opens up. Lagi ko itong sinasabi sa life ko, guys. The glow is not just for your face. The glow is also for your spirit. That is the kind of confidence that Naya can give you. That's the Naya difference. Ang sarap kasi sa pakiramdam, guys, yung sasabihin sa'yo na nakakalabas na po yung ano ko, or I can go out already, I can mingle with people, hindi na ako nakayuko pag naglalakad. And that's because of Naya. So guys, yung Naya natin is just $199. tatlong bars ng 70 grams na po yan if you want that kind of confidence. And, syempre guys, hindi natin kakalimutan ang ating lotion. Whether it's the original packaging or temporary packaging, guys, huwag niyong kakalimutan ng lotion. If you want that kind of Korean glass skin, pero hindi lang sa mukha makikita, sa katawan din, guys, try our Naya lotion. Hindi lamang po ito pang whitening, it's not just for firming, it's also for your varicose veins. So give your legs and feet extra care at night, especially kapag movie ka at pagod na pagod ka galing sa trabaho. And so guys, check out our Naya. So guys, we only have one soap, we only have one lotion, it's just the third one is the temporary packaging. I'll see you in the next live guys. Nag-umpisa na po tayo magbigay ng Christmas gifts natin bilang pasasalamat galing sa ating pamilya. So make sure na follower po namin kayo at malay nyo, isa po kayo sa mga sweswertehin na padadala namin ng regalo ngayong Pasko.
Ibabad mo lang sa underarm mo, pwede mong i-overnight. Alam mo, sabi niya, Miss Shay, grabe, sobrang ganda po ng sabon niyo. Sabi niya, sobrang ganda po. So, aside from na tutulungan siya sa underarm niya, nag-benefit yung skin niya sa face, nag-benefit yung ibang parts ng body niya. So, I'm really, really, really very happy. And also, may mga sensitive skin, dermatitis. Actually, parang naging medicated soap. Para siya naging medicated soap, guys. And marami akong benefits na naisip when I was having the soap formulated. Pero alam niyo ba? Along the way, guys, ang dami na-discover na benefits din. So,
When your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go.
8,000 pesos versus 199! Guys, pumasok ako sa Sephora, sa Bangkok, and I asked the sales lady there, what's the best seller? And then, she led me to this product. Itong product na to, prior to me asking her, it already caught my attention. Bakit? Because it has tranexamic acid, which is also present in our Naya soap. So, guys, na nakita ko yung presyo, oh my gosh, nagulat ako kasi 4,000 baht, which is about almost 8,000 pesos. So, ang ginawa ko, I took a picture of it, I sent it to the chemist, at tinanong ko siya, is Naya soap way behind this product? Sabi niya, no, hindi ka nahuhuli. It's not way ahead of you. Pero, the only difference is that it's leave-on because it's serum, and Naya can be washed off. Guys, pero, kumbaga, sinasabi sa atin ng chemist natin, if you spend 8,000 pesos, and you spend 199, almost the same din ang benefits na makukuha natin. So, why spend 8,000 pesos if you can only spend 199 and get almost the same benefits? For those who have money and they want to use it, and then that's okay. But then again, sabi niya, even if you have 8,000 pesos and you can spend for that product, if you don't have a good soap like Naya, it's still not well worth. So guys, bakit pa kayo gagastos ng 8,000 pesos or anything na expensive kung maaari nyo naman makuha ang benefits na hinahanap nyo sa isang sabon sa ating Naya Beauty Soap, sa ating Naya Radiance Sabon. So for those who have not tried it guys, subukan nyo na po. 99, tatlo na po ang laman, tatlong sabon, 70 grams each. Ba't pa kayo gagastos ng mahal? Kung sa Naya lang pala, sa 199, sapat na. For the face and body na to guys, 2 years old. Meron na gumagamit ito na 2 years old, all the way up to senior citizens guys. So if you have not tried, mag-check out na!
Give it to me like.
lahat ginamit ko na. Tapos wala ka ng, sabi no, wala ka ng pores, ma'am, ganyan. Sabi ko, ang galing naman. Tapos, nililista, so ano yung ginagamit mong skincare? Sabi ko, I don't really use anything, soap lang, ganyan. Sabi, toner. Sabi ko, toner kapag, it's a cleansing toner kapag naka-makeup ako, ganun. Tapos, what do you use? Sabi ko, Naya soap. Okay, Naya soap, sulat naman siya. Maya-maya sinabi ko, it's my own brand. Preggy lactating, yes, J-Bell. Pwede sa Preggy and lactating, even your lotion. Your soap, yes na yes sa face and body, whether you have dry and dull skin, you have oily skin, perfect yan sa lahat ng skin conditions natin. Ilang piraso, isang pack ng soap, 3 pirasong 70 grams, guys. Bango. 3 pirasong 70 grams po.
Hey guys, good morning. Flex ko lang ang aking face na walang filter. Guys, walang filter. Kung meron man super conta, but you can see, ayan, sobrang grabe po yung dark spots ko dito. But now you can hardly or barely see it.
Yan. Ito yung sinasabi ko na parang skin lang na nakaganon. Kaya feeling mo, meron siyang dark hair but wala guys. Ayan. So, ano bang ginagamit ko? Of course, Naya Radiance Melt Bar Soap. Kahit naka-makeup guys, yun din ang ginagamit ko na pang makeup remover, nothing else. So, for your skin concerns, skin issues, whether it's sensitive, mapimple kayo, dry and dull skin, any concerns guys, or kahit walang concern, Naya Beauty Soap or our Naya Radiance Melt Bar is your beauty and bath soap. Nakakatulong po yan sa mga dark spots and even skin tone. Nakakatulong sa mga dark areas sa body nyo. So, kung gusto nyong ibabad sa katawan or any part of your body or kahit underarm overnight, pwedeng-pwede. Maraming gumagawa niyan. Pag kayo may dandruff, guys, maaari nyo yung gawing shampoo para matulungan na matanggal yung dandruff nyo and many others. So, we have, again, discovered so many benefits ng Naya Radiance Melt Bar along the way, guys. Marami tayong inisip na benefits nung pinapa-formulate natin yan, pero marami pa tayong na-discover na benefits right after. So, guys, this is only 199 pesos. 3 bars na po yan. Subukan nyo po yan at huwag nyo kalimutan ang lotion natin because your lotion is 249. Pero guys, hindi lang siya double whitening, hindi lang siya nakaka-firm ng skin, but it also helps you with the blood circulation. So, sa mga varicose veins prone areas, sa mga pasa, ayan, makakatulong po yan. Mga kati-kati, any allergies, guys, makakatulong po yan. So, 249 for the lotion, 199 for the 3 bars of our Naya soap. Subukan nyo na yan, guys. Sorry, guys, sobrang lapit. Gusto ko lang talagang pakita sa inyo, guys, kung gaano na nag-improve yung skin ko because of our Naya Radiance Melt Bar. So, check out na.
Sabon, nandyan na lahat ng kailangan mo. Grabe. Hi, Prue! Isang sabon lang yan, guys. Super. So, I'm so happy because noong ginamit ko po for the first few days ang Naya soap, yung lumabas yung final formulation, guys, alam nyo ba, 4 days lang, nagsara na kagad yung pores ko. Anong tawag dyan? Super happy lang ako talaga sa buhay, finally. Alam nyo, kailangan lang talaga, consistent tayo. Ano, mas pagod ba ako tingnan ads? Kasi ang dami kong ginawa today. Talagang, tapos dapat 3 o'clock. Ang plano ko talaga today, sabi ko, okay, 3 o'clock ako magla-live kasi 3 o'clock mag-golf yung mga boys. So sabi ko, 3 o'clock. Alas Bea, loyal students po kaming lahat. Thank you, kids. Maraming salamat. I feel like it's a Sunday today. Sabi ko, parang Sunday today. Yun. So, yun lang, guys. I was able to accomplish so many things today. I'm so happy. Nakapag-prepare ako ng breakfast.
199 for 3 bars. Why not, guys? Ang amin pong gusto ay ang ma-enjoy po ng lahat. Ang mga premium quality na supposedly hindi na-afford ng iba kasi sobrang mahal na. Meron tayong mga sabon dyan na mura, pero kung wala naman pong epekto, sayang din naman po yung pera. So guys, kung ako lang po sa inyo, nandyan na po yung link natin. Mag-check out na po kayo sa presyong 199. Meron kayong 3 bars na. Ayan. And safe siya sa mga tattoo, guys, ha? Safe siya sa mga tattoo. So, sa presyong 199, you get 3 premium radiant bars. Not per piece, but 199 for all 3. Ayan. For all 3, guys, 199 na po yan. Ganyan ka-powerful si Naya. Guys, bago tayo nag-live sell, sa totoo lang, ang dami na pong na-sold out. So, guys, please, mura po. Yes, murang-mura. Pero sa totoo lang, ang quality, sobrang premium talaga. I'm not gonna say it's premium if it's not. Hindi po kami ganun klaseng sellers, guys. I will only tell you what is true and correct. Walang labis, walang kulang. So again, guys, para matry nyo po kung gano'n ka-premium ang quality ng Naya, mag-check out na kayo, guys, kasi 199 lang po yan. Now, again, if you have vouchers there, guys, maaari nyo i-claim para magamit nyo po sa pag-check out ng ating Naya. And the links na nandyan po sa ating showcase, guys, those are the official distributors ng Naya, guys, ha. So, kung mag-check out kayo na hindi po ako naka-live, magpunta kayo sa showcase at tingnan nyo, take note, para alam nyong dyan at dyan lamang po kayo mag-check out ng ating Naya. So, again, guys, maulit ko lang, ang Naya natin, merong niacinamide na nakakatulong po na mag-even out ng ating skin tone.
nakaka-reduce ng appearance ng spots natin. So again, isa po yan sa talagang problema ko guys. Ang dami kong, there was a time kasi nag-wakeboard ako. Pagkatapos ko mag-wakeboard, nagpa-facial ako. After facial, the next day nag-wakeboard. So buong araw po yung nakababad sa sun. Doon naglabasan yung mga dark spots sa mukha ko. So, since then, naging problem ko na yan. But with Naya, guys, ang ginagawa ko talaga, nagbababad po ako ng Naya sa katawan at sa face. Ang laki na po nang naitulong sa akin. Ang laki na po nang
Kumbaga to spread awareness. Pero guys, once na matry nyo, matutuwa talaga kayo sobra. Kasi, hindi natin to pina-formulate for nothing. 10 active ingredients ang nilagay ko dyan, guys. Hindi lang 4, hindi lang 6, 10, guys. Actually, in total, 12 yan. 12. Kaya 10 times glow boost nakalagay. Kasi 10 glow boosting active ingredients ang meron dyan, guys. Hindi tayo, hindi tayo nagtipid sa kung ano man ang laman. Hindi tayo nagtipid sa kung ano man ang laman ng sabon natin.
Para po sa inyong kaalaman, maaring meron na pong mga peking Naya Radiance Melt Bar na kumakalat ngayon. Iba yung amoy nung sabon sa una niyang binuksan o sa una niyang nabili. O hindi ko po naisip na baka meron ng fake na kumakalat. Kasi po, July 15 pa lang po tayo nag-launch, guys. Napakaaga pa para magkaroon ng mga fake na Naya Radiance Melt Bar. Pero dahil po sa marami na pong nakakaalam, medyo nagpanik na po kami ng kaunti. Meron pong nag-message na naman sa atin at sinabi nga na iba yung dalawang sabon na in-order niya, magkaiba ang kulay, magkaiba ang amoy. Ayan po. Tapos napansin din namin na yung pinaka batch code niya ay magkaiba din ng print. And so ako po ay nakiusap na kung pwedeng i-ship po sa akin para mapaimbestigan po natin lalo kung paano, saan, or totoo bang merong fake na Naya Radiance Melt Bar na kumakalat. So guys, para po sa inyong security and protection, ako po nagla-live almost every day. Araw-araw po yan, usually morning hanggang lunchtime. Ngayon, meron din po ako mga videos na nakabasket. Meron din po tayong mga resellers na nagla-live din po sa account natin. So, dyan po, every time naka-live, ibig sabihin, mga legit po yan. Kapag hindi po, nakabasket sa akin, wala sa showcase ko, or hindi nyo naririnig sa akin, may listahan po ako usually na pinupost kung sino po yung mga official Naya partners natin, kung makikilala nyo naman or alam mo naman kung legit yung store or hindi. Pero just the same, if you want to make sure, maaari kayo mag-check out sa live natin, ayan, para sigurado, at kung yun nga naka-live na ako, nagtatanong pa kayo kung legit yung mga nandyan sa showcase ko. Naintindihan ko naman at gusto nyo lang makasiguro. So, ang isa pa po ay, wag po tayong bibili ng walang pouch. Maaring yung iba or yung pong mga sumusubok gumaya sa atin ay nagbebenta po ng Naya na wala pong pouch. So guys, para makasiguro sa videos na nakabasket, tapos yung ating pong live din, at tingnan nyo rin po yung mga official, yung listahan ng official Naya partners natin na pinupost ko. So i-update ko po yung listahan natin para sigurado hindi po kayo maka-encounter ng peke na Naya Radiance Melt Bar. Napakaaga pa po pero ginagaya na po tayo. Pero sa totoo lang guys, nagpapanik kami kasi ayaw namin syempre masayang po yung pera ninyo. Kaya mag-ingat po tayo sa pag-checkout ng Naya Radiance Melt Bar. So yung mga instructions po, tips na sinabi ko, yun po sundin natin para hindi masayang ang pera natin at hindi tayo makabili ng peke. Salamat po.
Makatulong man lang makareduce ng fine lines and wrinkles. Ayan. Yung pores ko, guys, sa totoo lang, kumalma talaga. 4 days na gumamit po ako, kumalma na siya kaagad. Isa yun sa mga first na mapapansin mo, yung pores talaga. Kasi grabe yung pores ko, guys. Sobrang siguro dahil oily. Combination kasi oily and dry. Tapos yung hormonal acne ko, guys, grabe din. But it's only nung binababaran ko na po ng Naya, overnight, yung mga pimples ay mga hormonal acne, nag-dry siya talaga, guys. And honestly, wala na. Pag may bumalik, ayan, kagad, babad kagad, tas nagda-dry up siya kagad, guys. Yan, so if you are a senior citizen and you're looking for something to, alam mo, maging plump yung skin natin, maging elastic, maging firm kahit papano, mabawas-bawasan naman yung mga kulubot sa mukha natin, maaaring makatulong po ang ating Naya soap. Also, kung kayo ay may mga teenagers na anak, actually anyone, guys, ang pinakamababa o pinakabatang pinakabatang gumagamit ng Naya soap natin ay 2 years old kasi nakakatulong po ito sa paglesen ng body odor, yung pag-asim ng mga babies, ng mga bagets. Ayan, tapos hanggang senior citizens pwedeng gumamit ito kasi sobrang dami nitong pang anti-aging talaga. If, say, mag-51 na po ako in a few days. I'm turning 51 in a few days and I want to prepare talaga. Yung pagdating ko na senior citizen, yung gusto ko naman yung itsura nakikita ko, hindi yung Madidepress ako sa itsura ko. Kasi last year, nangyari na yun, guys. Grabe. Nagpa-skin analysis ako, tapos 61 years old. Ang sabi ng machine, hindi ko kinaya. Talagang sumama yung loob ko. Sabi ko, I have to do something about it. Yung mga gumagamit nito sa ulo, ginagawang shampoo dahil sa dandruff, or mga kati-kati allergies, dermatitis, eczema, skin asthma, nakakatulong skin tag. At saka nakakabawas ng flat warts. Grabe yung mga flat warts ko dito, guys. Nabawasan talaga. Pinapabalik ako before, nung mga June, March, April, April, May, June. Sabi ng derma sa akin last year, ma'am, pagbalik mo, cauterize natin, dami mong flat warts. Tapos guys, for some reason, sobrang siyang nabawasan. Tapos may skin tag pa na, minsan may milya ka, tapos because sinasoften talaga ni Naya yung milya, guys, natatanggal talaga. Nagsusuga siya kasi kinukot-kot ko, pero natatanggal. Grabe, sobrang, pati yung mga flat warts, guys. Meron na ako dito, may flat wart ako dito, maliit din. Dahil lumambot siya, sa kakakot-kot ko, natanggal siya talaga, guys. So, kung hindi nyo pa natatry yung Naya Soap, guys, please subukan nyo. Subukan nyo. Kung doon sa nga malalaking purchases nga na pagkakatiwalaan nyo, kung what more dito, na brand na talaga natin, guys. At pina-formulate talaga natin. Guys, yung Naya Soap natin, it's double whitening, firming, nakakatulong sa varicose veins prone areas, nakakatulong sa mga pasa, blood circulation, tired legs and feet.
Don't believe me, just watch. Hey, 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 oh!
Wait a minute. Stop. 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 Wait a minute.
Buntis ka ba? Don't worry, safe tayo. Naya Radiance Melt Bar is free from any harmful ingredients, strong acids, or anything that's irritating. Our formula is very gentle, dermatologist tested, and safe sa mga pregnant skin. Because moms-to-be deserve that glow too, without the risk. So for your peace of mind, you may of course consult your OBs, but rest assured, mom safe tayo. Hi guys, dahil sold out nga ang Naya lotion at wala na talaga tayong packaging, 2 months pa tayo maghihintay guys. Tingnan nyo naman yung lotion ko kung saan nakalagay. Double whitening, Hydra Firm Power. So, nakaka-whiten siya, nakaka-firm din siya, and at the same time, may horse chestnut siya na nakakatulong sa varicose veins. So, extra massage, okay? So, extra massage dun sa mga areas na may varicose veins kasi nakakatulong ito sa blood circulation. Guys, abangan nyo yung restock ng ating Naya lotion, ha? Pero temporary packaging muna ating gagamitin. Siyempre, huwag kakalimutan ng Naya soap natin, guys, for your face and body. Kung i-convert mo into peso is almost 8,000 pesos. Grabe, guys, meron siyang tranexamic acid. Yung tranexamic acid naman, guys, ito po, ni-research ko talaga. Sabi ko, what can be a good pair with niacinamide when it comes to our dark spots, melasma, pecas, ganyan. Tapos, lumabas yung tranexamic acid. So, ang ginawa ko po, nilagay ko sa soap natin. Guys, ito yung product na serum naman na may tranexamic acid na tag almost 8,000 pesos. Gusto mo bang mag-glow in just a matter of minutes? Wash your face with Naya soap in circular motion. Yan. Bakit circular motion? Para sa blood circulation. Dry your skin, and then apply your Naya lotion. When you apply your Naya lotion, there you go, ayan. Apply it on your face before. This is how you massage your face. This is how you apply your lotion. Upward, outward, all the way down to your neck. Keep on repeating. Pwedeng 1 minute, 2 minutes, depends on how much time you have. If you're just watching TV or watching me during my live, you can do this. One minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes. If you have gua sha, you can use your gua sha. You can also use spoon or merely your fingers. Massage. There are so many ways to massage your face, which you can repeat at least 5 times. And of course, yung sagging nakaka-help. Sa eye area, inward, or pwedeng gentle tap. just do it consistently, guys, and you'll see later on, makikita nyo na yung difference. Later on, you will see the benefits that you can get not only from our Naya soap and Naya lotion, but also from massaging your face. And so, hindi porke bata pa kayo, hindi nyo umpisahan yan. The earlier, the better. Now, if you are old already, senior citizens na kayo, or middle age kayo katulad ko, okay na okay din yan because nakakatulong din yan somehow sa reversal ng aging. And so, again, guys, kung walang ginagawa or meron kang pinaghahandaan na massage, 1 minute, 2 minutes, big help.
If naghahanap kayo ng soap na all-in-one na anti-acne, anti-aging, brightening, whitening, moisturizing, itry nyo tong Naya Beauty Soap. Naya is owned by the very beautiful and young-looking Miss Sherilyn Reyes Tan. Grabe si Miss Sherilyn, sobrang goals talaga. Imagine 50 years old na pero ganun pa rin kabata tignan. Kaya may inspire talaga tayong gumamit ng Naya Beauty Soap. 10 times Glow Boost infused with niacinamide, Centella asiatica extract, marine collagen, Himalayan salt, hyaluronic acid, glutathione, tranexamic acid, and kojic acid. Kapag bumili kayo ng isang pack, tatlong 70 grams na 199 pesos lang. Sobrang sulit. Lahat pwedeng gumamit nito kahit teens, men, and women. Kahit sa mga tao na may tattoo, pwedeng-pwede siya. Pwede siya for the face and body, derma-tested, and hindi siya nagpipil sa skin. Magtanggal muna tayo ng makeup after a long day. Usually kasi diba, pag gentle cleanser, kahit mag-micellar water tayo, tapos maghilamos tayo, pag nag-toner tayo, meron pa ring residue, kay Naya wala. Papatunayan ko sa inyo yan. Ito yung Naya soap natin. Kahit gentle soap siya, very mabula siya. As for the scent, sobrang bango niya, amoy jasmine. I just washed my face for 60 seconds para talaga mag-penetrate lahat ng good ingredients ng Naya soap. Ito yung bar soap na marirecommend ko for all skin types talaga. Oily ka man, dry, combination, acne-prone, or sensitive skin. Now, let's rinse. Grabe, sobrang linis ng pakiramdam sa skin. Para tayong nag-gentle exfoliate ng skin, pero walang tight feeling. And ito na yung toner test natin. Ayan, medyo didiinan ko ng konti para makita nyo, wala talagang makeup residue after maghilamos ng Naya Beauty Soap. Hindi madaling matunaw yung Naya Beauty Soap, so yung isang pack kaya ng 2 months sa akin. Matipid siyang gamitin. Try the Naya Beauty Soap Radiance Melt Bar. Promise, hindi ako mapapahiya sa inyo.
You can do what you want, just seize that day. What to do when tomorrow's gonna come your way. Don't you ever consider giving up? You will find love. It's a beautiful life. Oh, oh. It's a beautiful life. Oh, oh. It's a beautiful life. Oh, oh. I just wanna be beside you. Take a walk in the park when you feel down. There's so many things there that's gonna leave you up. See the nature of the blue, a love in a child.
Ba yan? Para saan ang Naya, guys? Para sa melasma, acne, dry and dull skin, sensitive skin. So, yung merong mga pekas, yan, dry and dull skin, uneven skin tone, mga maiitim na parts sa katawan, maaaring matulungan ng ating Naya Radiance Melt Bar. Dry and dull skin, you need plumpness, anti-aging, meron din, mapimples kayo, makakatulong din siya. Makakatulong din siya, guys. I bought po sa inyo dahil parang may allergy ako sa skin ko sa face. After a week na wala po siya. Wow, thank you, immortal. Okay na okay sa sensitive skin, guys. Ginawa natin to for sensitive skin. We use this also. We created this for sensitive skin also. Ayan. So, ang dami ng may sensitive skin. Bumalik sa atin. May atopic dermatitis pa. Ito. May anti-inflammatory. Anti-inflammatory. Naku, lotion din natin, guys. May anti-inflammatory. Kaya nakakatulong yan sa ano? Sa varicose veins. So, ayan. But, Monski, because meron siyang hyaluronic acid, it will deeply hydrate your skin. How many soap inside? The pouch? Tatlo. Tatlo po. 199 tatlo, guys. Guys, 199 tatlo. Umura niyan. Sobra tatlo na for the face and body, ha? Face and body. Pwede sa 12 years old. Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell, ginagawa mo naman akong Bisaya. Tinkerbell?
Yes, pwede sa 12 years old. Pwede sa 12 years old. May mga 2 years old tayong gumagamit. Meron tayong gumagamit na 5 years old, may sensitive skin. Meron tayong Triapack, Trio Pack. Meron tayong, ano pa ba? Lahat na ng pack dyan. Pack ganun.
Though it's brightening, it's hydrating. Ang sarap din ito sa gabi lalo because it has that soothing, calming effect. So if you have tired legs and feet, my daughter's 14, meron din siya mga spider veins, kaya inaalagaan ko rin.
At my skin.
Oh, what?
Konti na lang. Here na lang. And come here. Look. Come here, look. No, come here, look. Look at my skin.
Oh, what?
Ang ganda.
Still internal damage, still a thumb size hole coming out the back. I would say that's still perfectly effective. Get that dirt fast hole there.
Just for shits and grins, because we've already used that target, we're gonna let Jason open up with the old.
kakatapos lang ng live natin for TikTok at maraming salamat po sa lahat na sumuporta sa atin tonight. Thank you to those who checked out tonight ng ating Naya Radiance Melt Bar. So again guys, 199 lang po ang ating Naya pouch, pero 3 premium bars na po ang laman. So imagine nyo yan. And guys, again ha, yes, 199 pero totoong 10 times glow boost yan because meron yung 10 superstar active ingredients. Everything that I wanted in a soap, or in a soap bar, nilagay na po natin dito. So, ito rin po, naisip din po natin, syempre, not just for me, but also for my family. So, if you are someone who's a teenager, meron ka bang pimples or wala, and you have to start taking care of your skin, then Naya is for you. If you are also a young adult na gusto mong alagaan yung skin mo, you want to start early na you want something that's anti-aging, then Naya is for you. If you're middle-aged, meron kang, for example, you're a woman and you have perimenopausal symptoms, we have collagen also na makakatulong sa atin na mag-hydrate, na ma-hydrate ang ating skin, and maging firm also because we don't want a sagging skin as we grow old. Diba? It slows the aging process. So, if you also are a senior citizen who has dry skin, sagging skin, yung puro wrinkles ka na, and then this is also for you because we have hyaluronic acid which helps in the hydration also at sa pagpa-plump ng skin natin. So everything that you need is here in Naya Radiance Soap Bar. And it's not just for the face, it's also for your body. But ang hilig-hilig ko pong binababa dito sa aking katawan at sa aking face. And I super love the effect. That's why I'm so happy to share this with you. So guys, imagine niyo 199 lang. Saan ka naman makakakita ng ganito ka-premium na quality na sabon sa presyong 199? And if you are also looking for a sideline, maaari din siyang negosyohin. Isipin nyo guys, mag-check out ka for example, 10 piraso, 20 pieces guys at 199 or even cheaper because sometimes merong voucher. Ang laki rin ang kikitain mo because you can sell it for 250. Ikaw naman, mas malaki pakita mo sa akin. Pero okay lang, sobra. Sobrang nakaka-happy lang din to share this with you guys. So, I hope that you give Naya a chance. If you gave Anya a chance at marami na po talagang masaya sa Anya because sa presyo na ino-offer natin, para silang naka-original, guys, you will love Naya. I promise you, this is something that I'm also proud of. Our family is proud of. If you know our family, we're very much into offering something that's premium for a price point that everyone can afford. Para po ito sa mga nag-aasam na makabili ng mamahalin, maka-experience ng mamahalin na quality sa presyong abot kaya. At para din po ito sa mga sanay sa mga mamahalin na para maging praktikal. Kasi sa presyong 199, para kayong bumili ng sobrang mamahalin. Again, kung gusto niyo pong mag-checkout, nandiyan lang po mga links sa showcase natin. Maaari niyo rin pong i-follow sila. Sila po ang mga official distributors natin sa Naya dito po sa TikTok. Sila po ang pinagkakatiwalaan natin na magdi-distribute at magpapadala sa inyo ng inyong mga orders. So maaari niyo po silang i-follow at pag naka-live po sila, maaaring doon din po kayo mag-checkout. Maraming salamat po guys sa mga nagsuporta sa atin tonight. Abangan niyo po mga susunod pa nating live at ang mga live po ng ating mga distributors. Abangan niyo rin po yung mga vouchers na ibibigay nila ng TikTok para po mas maka-check out tayo ng mas mura kahit sobrang mura na ni Naya. Ha guys, 199 lamang po ang isang pouch natin at naglalaman na po yan ng 3 premium bars.